The composition is an exuberant explosion of overlapping, voluminous forms that twist, loop, and interweave with dynamic energy across the entire canvas. Bold, sweeping curves and layered circular openings create a sense of pulsating depth and movement, with forms folding into and out of one another. Warm, luminous shapes dominate the foreground, while cooler accents recede, guiding the viewer through a vibrant, almost kinetic three-dimensional space. The arrangement conveys abundance, vitality, and joyful intensity, evoking the peak of the season's sensory richness. Summer captures the season's full bloom of energy, heat, and life at its most vibrant. The flowing, organic forms draw inspiration from sun-drenched petals, tropical foliage, crashing waves, golden sunlight filtering through leaves, and the swirling motion of summer winds. It symbolizes joy, passion, peak vitality, and the celebration of life in its most radiant and unrestrained expression, a visual ode to warmth, growth, and sensory delight. A bold, high-saturation palette radiates the heat and vibrancy of summer. Fiery oranges, warm yellows, and golds dominate, evoking intense sunlight and ripe harvest. Vibrant pinks and magentas add playful floral passion. Teal, turquoise, and deep blues provide refreshing contrast and oceanic depth. Accents of green and purple enhance the lush, multi-layered tropical feel. The color blend through luminous gradients and crisp edges, creating a glowing, almost iridescent quality that makes the forms appear alive with inner light and energy. Consistent with the season's collection, this work exemplifies contemporary abstract art, merging influences from color-field painting, dynamism of visualization, and the organic exuberance of Art Nouveau. The spatial workout of complex folds, highlights, and seamless color transitions gives the forms a tactile, sculptural presence, reminiscent of both traditional oil painting and abstract formalism of spatial shapes. It balances composition structure with expressive, energetic movement. Painting Summer excels through its masterful orchestration of color intensity and rhythmic complexity. The dense layering and dynamic interplay of warm and cool tones create emotional uplift and visual excitement, rewarding both quick glances and extended viewing. It achieves a powerful balance of harmony and intensity. Technically superb painting craftsmanship while emotionally conveying pure joy and vitality. As the most energetic artwork in the collection's seasons, it serves as a brilliant counterpoint to the other seasons. As a central artwork in the seasons collection, summer represents the zenith of the annual cycle, the moment of maximum light, warmth, and abundance. Together with spring, autumn, and winter, it forms a complete visual meditation on nature's rhythms and the full spectrum of human emotion. In a contemporary context, it celebrates life force, environmental richness, and the importance of embracing moments of peak beauty and energy. Painting Summer possesses outstanding collectible appeal. Its bright, uplifting palette makes it highly decorative and versatile for modern, vibrant, or eclectic interiors. Strong cohesion within the collection. Seasons series significantly enhances value when collected as a set. Exceptional quality as handmade limited edition of 20 signed and numbered by hand, accompanied by certificate of authenticity. Broad emotional resonance combined with sophisticated abstraction appeals to both new and seasoned collectors of contemporary color-driven art. Painting Summer is a standout for exhibitions exploring seasonal themes, color psychology, abstraction, or celebrations of nature and vitality. When installed alongside the other works in the Seasons collection, it creates a powerful, immersive narrative of cyclical transformation, best displayed with bright, warm lighting to maximize the luminous glow and energetic depth. Ideal for residential spaces, hospitality venues, corporate environments, wellness centers, or private collections seeking artworks that radiate optimism and life-affirming energy. Visit our website, purchase and collect our artworks, share our website with your family, friends, and co-workers. Contact us. We appreciate your interest and will reply to your questions, comments, requests, and extend our services in the best manner we possible can.